So this is a mobile phone
that we say
that we say
EUV.
EUV.
So this
So this
mobile
mobile
is get
is get
connect with the
connect with
base
the base
station.
station.
So what
So
this
what
base
this base
station we have
station
to
we have
say?
to say?
E
E
node
node B.
Okay.
Okay.
So one
So
E
one
node
E
B,
node B,
another E node
another E
B.
node B.
This is
This
get
is get
communicate
communicate
each
each
other
other
with
with
X2
X2
interference.
interference.
So this
So this
part we
part we
say
say
access
access
network.
network.
Okay, sir.
In
In
previous
previous
version we have
version we
seen
have
that
seen that
mobile
mobile user
equipment
equipment
is
is
combined with
combined
the
with the
mobile
mobile
phone
phone
and plus
and plus
SIM card.
SIM card.
So here
So here
the
also
same
the
thing
same
is there.
thing is there.
Mobile
Mobile
equipments are
equipments
there
are there
and
and
eSIM card
eSIM
is
card
there.
is
That
there.
is
That is
4G SIM
4G
card.
SIM card.
So
So
in
in
access
access
network, what we
network,
have
what we have
seen,
seen,
base
base
stations are
stations
there.
are
A
there.
group of
Group
base
of base
station.
station.
That group
That
of
group
base
of base
stations are
stations
get
are get
connect with
connect with
the
the
group of
group
base
of base
stations are
stations are
connect and
connect and
controlled by
controlled
one
by one
controller. What
controller.
that
What that
controller we
controller
say?
we say?
BS
BSC
in
in
2G.
2G.
PS.com.
In
In
3G
3G
RNC we say.
RNC we say.
Right?
Right?
Yes,
But
sir.
But
here in
here in
4G,
4G
this part
this
is
part
not
is
there.
not there.
So that
So
means
that
the
means the
sites are
sites are
communicate with
communicate with
other
other
side
side
through that
through
link
that
that
link
we
that
say
we
as a
say as a
X2
X2
interference.
interference.
So the
So
site
the
has
side has
own
own
authorization to
authorization to
control the
control the
site
site
itself.
itself.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay,
this
so
is
this is
4G
4G
advanced.
advanced.
So now
So now
after
after
that
that
it's
it
connect to the
connect to the
core
core
network.
network.
So in
So in core network
you get
you get
MM,
MME, HSS,
SG,
SGW,
PG,
PGW,
Okay, much.
IM,
IMS,
No.
PCRF.
PCRF.
Okay,
Okay,
so this
so
is the
this is
way
the
this
way
one
this
is
one
get
is get
connect to
connect to
this
this
and this
and
one is
this one
get
is get
connect to
connect to
this.
this.
So this
So
we
this
say
we
as
say
a
as a
core
core
network
network
and
and
the
the
links
links
S1
S1
interference,
interference,
C
C,
S1
S1,
U
U
interference.
interference.
This is
This
air
is air
interference
interference
Yeah.
and this
and this X2
and
interference
this
and
is
this is
MME to the
MME to the
HSS,
HSS,
S6
S6
interference.
interference.
Here is
Here is the
S5
S5
interference is there
interference is
and
there and
S8
S8
interference is
interference
there.
is there.
Okay, sir.
And this
And
is
this is
S11
S11
interference.
interference.
This is
This is
GX,
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 GX interference and
SG
SG
interference.
interference.
So this
So
is
this interference
are there
are there,
which is
which
get
is get
used.
used.
So this
So
is the
this is the
IMS,
IMS,
that is
that is
IP
IP
multimedia
multimedia
subsystem.
subsystem.
Okay,
Okay,
I
this
so
will.
this
part we
part
Okay,
say
sir.
we say
here
here
EPC,
EPC,
Evolve
Evolve
Packet
Packet
Core
Core
Network.
Network.
Okay,
Okay,
so this is
so
the
this is the
Yes, sir.
architecture of
architecture of
4G.
4G.
Got it?
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now
So now
clear.
clear.
Okay.
Participate. So okay guys,
See,
see
in
in
previous
previous
version, what we
version
have
what we have
seen
seen
in
in
3G,
3G
there is
there is a one
node
node B is there.
this one
This
node
one
B
node B And here in 4G, what we get here?
E node.
E node B.
This is
This is the difference.
then
We have seen
group
group
of
of nodes which are controlled by RMC,
but
but here
no
no
sites
sites controller are there. The site have one authorization to control itself.
Got it?
Got it?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Getting my voice?
Yes, sir. Getting your voice.
Okay.
Okay.
So now
here,
same
same thing. IOCS is there. That is the link which is connect with the one accessing network to the core network. So in core network we have seen that CS is there and PS is there. Circuit
Yes, sir.
switch and the packet switch.
Packet
So
switch.
this part is the circuit switch base and this part is the packet switch base. So IOCS is that means CS means
circuit switch.
IOCS
IUPS that means packet switch. Okay.
Okay, this thing is there.
So
So
now
now
in
in
4G,
4G,
EPC
is there.
Evolve Packet Core Network.
Network.
Okay.
Okay.
Evolve Packet Core Network. Now
Now 4G technology.
So
So 4G technology
This is of what?
LTE.
4G technology, the technical name is LTE. Okay.
Okay.
So
So
whatever
whatever
the
the
technology here is
used
used same as
same as
the
the
coding.
coding.
So in
So in 3G,
we have seen
we have seen
WCDMA is the
WCDMA is
technology.
the
The
technology. The
technology
technology
is
is
what
what
basis
basis
on
on the
the coding. What
coding.
coding here?
What coding here?
Scrambling code. So how
Scrambling
many
code. So how
scrambling
many
code we
scrambling
have?
code we have?
So same way
So
here
same
also
way
if
here also
you
if
are getting the
you are
same
getting
thing.
the same thing.
PCI we say
PCI we say
504.
504.
This is the
This is the
504
504
PCIs are
PCIs
there,
are there.
which is
These
get
get
used
used
in
in
a
a
4G
4G
network to
network to
plan the
plan the
network.
network.
How many
How many
frequencies are
frequencies are
used
used
here?
here?
One.
One.
Here
Here
also
also
one.
one.
But
But
so
modes are
different for
different for
different base
different base
stations.
stations.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
Now
let's see
let's
the
see the
bands.
bands.
What was
What
the
was the
bands are
bands
there
are
which
there
is get
which
used?
get used?
So in
So in
4G,
4G,
3G,
3G,
2G.
2G.
So
So
2G
2G
technology
technology work on
900
900
band
band
and
and
1800 band.
1800 band.
3G
2G
technology
technology
work
work
on
on
1800
1800
band,
band,
2100 band.
2100 band.
So
So
4G
4G
technologies
technology is
work
work
on
on
900
900
band,
band,
1800
1800
band,
band,
2100
2100
band,
band,
2300 band,
2300 band,
20.
2400 band.
So that
So
means
that means
4G
4G
technologies
technologies
get
get
work
work
on
on
all
all
bands.
bands.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Now,
if all
if all
bands is
bands
there,
is
what is
there,
the
what is the
differences are
differences are
there?
there here?
So in
So in
2G,
2G,
what is the
what is
size
the
of
size of
frequency? Tell
frequency?
me.
Tell me.
200
200
kilohertz.
kilohertz.
In
In
3G,
3G,
5.
5 megahertz.
In
In
4G,
4G,
in
in
4G,
4G,
in
in
4G you
4G
get
you get
1.3
1.4 megahertz, 3 megahertz,
5,
5 megahertz,
10 megahertz,
10 megahertz,
15
15
megahertz, and
megahertz,
maximum
and
is the
maximum is
last is the
last is the
20
20
megahertz.
megahertz.
Okay, so
Okay,
this is the
so this is
20
the 20
megahertz. So what is
megahertz.
the
So what is the
differences are
differences
there
are
here?
there here?
Tell me.
Tell me.
What is
What is
this?
this?
What is
What
this
is this
actually?
actually?
This is
This is
all
all carriers.
frequency
Frequency
carriers.
carriers.
The size
The
of
size of
frequency.
frequency.
So here,
So here,
note on
note on
this.
this.
Yes, sir.
So next,
So now next is what?
1.4
1.4
megahertz.
megahertz.
3
3 megahertz,
5
5 megahertz,
10
10 megahertz,
15
15 megahertz,
and
and 20 megahertz.
so the
So
upload
the
speed
upload
and
speed
download
and
speed,
download speed,
whatever you
whatever
get
you
here,
get here,
upload
upload
speed and
speed and
whatever the
whatever the
download speed,
download
upload speed and
speed,
whatever
upload
the
speed and
download
whatever
speed.
the
So
download.
this speed
So
is
this
waves,
speed is get
okay,
waves, okay,
as per band.
as per band wise.
So we have seen multiple
So we have seen
operators are
multiple
there in a
operators are
network.
there in a network.
Those who are providing
Those who
4G
are providing
network,
4G
Jio we
network,
have
Jio we
it,
have
Airtel
it,
we have
Airtel
it,
we have it,
Vodafone we have
Vodafone we have
it.
it.
But
But
speed is
speed is
different for
different for
different
different
operator.
operator.
Why?
Why?
They use
They use
different
different
frequencies and
frequencies and
different
different
carriers.
carriers.
Based on
Based
that,
on
the
that, the
speed is
speed
get
is get
provided. So
provided.
they
So
give
they
the
give the
service of
service of
4G,
4G,
but
but
speed you
speed
get
you
as
get as
per
per
band
band
wise.
wise.
Got it?
Bandwidth and service. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
now the
now the
maximum
maximum
speed
speed
you get
you
in
get in
4G
4G
network, that
network, that
is
is
80
80 to 100 MB
in
in
download,
download,
20
20
to
to
30
30
MB
MB
in
in
Upload.
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 Okay.
Okay.
Now next
Now next
is
is
in 5
in 5
megahertz,
megahertz,
15
15
megahertz,
megahertz,
the
the
speed you
speed
get
you get
20
20 to
25 MB
25
in
MB in
upload,
upload,
and here
and here
60 to
60 to
80 MB
80
you
MB
get
you
in
get
a
in a
download.
download.
So same
The
way,
same way,
when you
when you
get
get
decrease
decrease
the
the
bandwidth,
bandwidth,
what
then what
happen?
happen?
The
The
speed
speed
also get
also get
decreased. So
decreased.
here
So
you
here
get
you get
6
6, what?
6 to
6 to
8
8
MB,
MB,
and here
and here you get
14
14 MB.
6
in
to 8
And in
MB.
3
megahertz
megahertz,
you get
you get
speed 12
speed
MB
12
onwards,
MB onwards,
and here in
and here
download
in
speed you
download
get
speed you get
18 MB
18 MB
onwards.
onwards.
So this
So
in
this
5
is the in
megahertz
5
the
megahertz,
download
the
speed you get
download speed you get
20 MB,
20
and
MB,
upload speed
and
you get
upload speed you get
10 to 15 MB.
10 to 15 MB.
Okay, so this is the
Okay, so this is the speed
bandwidth
as
you
per
get in a
bandwidth
network.
you get in a network.
So when you go for
So when
higher
you
one,
go for
you get
higher one,
higher
you
speed.
get
When
higher
you go
speed.
for lower
When you
one,
go for
lower
lower one,
speed.
lower
So the
speed.
minimum
So the
the
minimum
operator is
the
get use
operator
5,
is get use
maximum
5,
the operators are
maximum
get
the
use
operators
20
are get use
megahertz to
20
plan the
megahertz
network.
to plan the network.
Okay, so the
Okay,
4G
so
whatever in
suppose
India you are
whatever in
getting
India
this
you are
much,
getting this much,
but in 4G
but in
you will get
4G
plan by
you will get
distance.
planned by distance.
Okay,
Okay,
Yes, sir.
now
now
clear.
clear. So this is about the
Frequency
frequencies
and
and
frequency
frequency
sizes
sizes
architecture.
architecture.
Now
Now
frequency
frequency
technology.
technologies.
So here
So here
same
same
thing.
thing.
You know what is
What is
FDD
FDD
technology and
technology and
TDD
TDD
technology?
technology?
Yes, sir.
FDD technology means
Frequency
frequency
division
division
duplex.
duplex.
That
That
means
means
two
two
frequencies are
frequencies
get
are get
used. One
used.
is
One
for
is for
uplink and
uplink
one is
and
for
one is for
downlink
downlink
frequency.
frequency.
Downlink.
Two
Two
frequencies,
frequencies are used.
one uplink
One uplink
and
frequency
one
and one
downlink
downlink
frequency. So
frequency.
separate
Separate
uplink and
uplink and
separate downlink
separate downlink
frequency.
frequency.
So
So
TDD
TDD
technology
technology
means
means
single
single
frequency is there
frequency is there
which
which
is
is
get
get
used for
used for
both
both
uplink and
uplink and
downlink
downlink
transmission,
transmission,
utilizing with
utilizing
the
with the
time
time
bases.
bases.
So which
So
frame
which
is
frame
get
is
used
get used
here?
here?
FDMF
FDMF
frame,
frame,
FT.
and here
and
we are
here we are
using
using
TDMF frame,
TDMF frame,
time
time
division
division
multiple
multiple
access.
access.
Okay,
Okay.
so now
So
here
now
same
here same
thing,
thing.
the
The
bandwidth
bandwidth
whatever we are
whatever we are
getting in
getting in
4G, that
4G,
is
that is
1.4
1.4
megahertz to
megahertz to
20
20
megahertz.
megahertz.
Now next
Now next is
modulation
modulation
scheme.
scheme.
What is
What
this
is this
modulation? In
modulation? In
3G we have
3G we
seen
have
now.
seen now.
Whatever
Whatever the data
get
are get
transmitted in a
transmitted in a
network is
network is
basis
basis
on
on
modulations.
modulations.
So these
So these
modulations are
modulations are
there.
there.
QP
QPSK,
6,
16 com, 64 COM modulation.
So
So
QPSK
QPSK
means the
means the
data is
data
get
is
flow
get
with
flow with
2
2
bit
bit
per
per
second rate.
second rate.
Here
Here
the
the
data is
data
get
is
flow
get
with
flow with
4
4
bit per
bit per
second rate,
second rate,
and here
and
the
here
data
the
is
data
get
is
flow
get
with
flow with
4
6
bits per
bit
per
second rate.
second rate.
So this
So
is
this
all
is
of
all of
modulations.
modulations.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here
In
in
download,
download,
in
in
downlink
downlink
direction, these
direction, these
modulations are get
modulations are get
used,
used,
and in
and in
uplink
uplink
direction,
direction,
these
these
modulations are
modulations
get
are get
used.
used.